This is the real Tom Rose, and what you're being tested on here is whether you know, mainly is whether you know the law of cosines, which of sort of all the trigonometric rules for dealing with triangles, I think it's the most obscure. It's the most obscure in the toolbox of things you have to know. So the law of cosines is, so these are all lowercase letters. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Part of it should look somewhat familiar because it's very close to the Pythagorean theorem. Minus 2ab cosine, and this is a big C. All of these are sides, except for that big C, which is the angle. And the sides are named for the angle that they are opposite. So the only angle that really matters here, because it's the only letter that's used twice, is the C. So what you need to know is the side that you put over on its own, the lonesome side, needs to be opposite the angle that goes in the cosine. So let's plug in here. So C squared is, so the angle we're dealing with, omega, is opposite the 8. So the 8 is the part that needs to go by itself. So 8 squared equals 4 squared plus 7 squared. I'm getting this from the triangle. Minus 2 times 4 times 7 times the cosine of omega. Now they want you to solve for cos omega, so we're right in line to do that. So 8 squared is what? 64 equals 16 plus 49 minus 4 times 7 is 28 times 2 is 56 times cos omega. So 64 minus 16, it's starting to get beyond what I can do when I'm at the end of an ACT. 64 minus 16 minus 49 is -1. So this is -1 equals -56 cos omega. So this is cos omega is equal to 1 over 56, which is that guy. So memorize that law of cosines. You also need to know law of sines, by the way. So look up both of those if you don't know them. This is the law of cosines right up here.